Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Learn versus Fun. I hope you all doing good. You know that most people love photographs, right? Bloggers who want to explore more with great pictures that are license free can get a solution today. So in this video I am going to explain top 5 free stock websites providing best images to download for your blog. So keep watching until the end of this video to get the useful info. Please do like and subscribe. Pixels.com. This is one of the best free stock websites providing best images to download. You can also search for free photos based on the topics you need for your blog. So just scroll down, you can see the unlimited images are available and also they are with good quality. And also you can discover by topics like popular collections, photography topics, and also by colors and many more. Coming to the videos, you can also download videos, free videos. So search for the topics that you want and you can download the videos. So if you like the video, just click on the video to download. So I am going to click this video. It is getting loaded. Yes. Now click on the free download option available at the right side corner. Now, if you want to say thanks to the author who uploaded this video, you can either donate through PayPal or also you can like and follow him through Insta. If you not need it, you can go back. Unsplash. Photos for everyone. Here, this is the internet source of free usable images. So you can download the free images and also the videos you like through the topics that are available. So scroll down to download any image that you like. If you like, just click on the down arrow that is available. Here you can see it is being downloaded. So in this way you can download in unsplash.com. Next, Pixabay. Here also you can download the images and videos. High quality stock images and videos are available here. This is also the one of the best website to download images. So search the topic you want and also you can see the drop down here, images, photos, videos, illustrations, etc. By seeing here itself you can say that these are very clear and are high quality. So if you like the image, just click on the image and click on the free download. Here you can also download based on the sizes you want. So I'm going to download this. Similar to pixels.com, if you want to donate to the author, you can donate, or else you can just click the into mark and you can go back. So in this way you can download pictures in Pixabay. Burst.shopware.com. Here also you can download images. You can see the collections, animals around the world, city and many more. New photos, business ideas, tips, etc. So you can download the free stock photos for your website and also you can use for commercial purpose. Down the search bar you can also see the popular categories like work from home, wellness, feel good photos, etc. So you can select the topic you wish. Scroll down. Here also you can see top free pics of this week, and next also the high resolution photo collections, yoga, flowers, nature, landscapes, baby, food, jewelry, products, dogs, computer sound. I'm going to click computer. So here you can download the image you like. You can download directly or you can go to the image and you can see left side corner high resolution or low resolution available. You can download the high resolution. So here you can see it is being downloaded. So you just come back to the home page. In this way you can download the free stock images. in burst.shopify.com. Next, coming to stocksnap.io. Here also you can see the categories, all photos, trendings, login, joiners and many. You search the photos that you want. And also here you can see that they are saying free from copyright restrictions. So the trending topics are also available down the search bar. Popular, business, nature, wallpapers, etc. The images are very clear. So if you want to like, you can also like. Just click on the image. Here you can see, if you want to give a love symbol, you can give. Next, now download. So it is being downloaded. And if you want to say thanks, you can give thanks, or else you can just go back to the home page. So in this way you can explore.